Okay, so this is going to be kind of a mixed up mashup, but over this whole weekend we've had this kind of long adventure going with Jessie and Tuoni over here. First, we got startled by a weird pan. I don't know if I should be scared. Then we tried playing some improv games. Quiverly, mate, how have you been today?
Really good. I like the coffee here.
Suppose they didn't have coffee and instead only served crumpets.
Right.
Universal Ideas. I do believe that Universal came out with a new ride that applied strictly to caffeine inhibition.
Very exciting. I wonder how it's going to be.
Wonderful! How else would it be? Then we play video games. Battlefield 1942 War, go! We got startled by random sounds.
Cantaloupe. What cantaloupe? I shall put you in a giant cantaloupe. Okay.
Then we played more improv games where Clarissa had to be an animal with an issue.
So what is your favorite color?
I don't like red.
Your bull. No.
How dare you call me a bull?
I'm gonna swim in a swamp. I'm too fat.
A pig?
No.
Well, what do you like to do for fun?
Blow my nose. And swim. And flap my ears. I do swim though. A lot.
Are you
I take mud baths.
a hippo?
Yeah.
Do you have a bloody nose?
Yes.
Okay. We went on a walk. My sunglasses are gonna tint. Wait. Yeah, there they go. We're checking the mail, and all of us have no shoes on. What do you think of that, society? Why is nothing exciting happening? Y'all are weird. We did some absolutely pointless things. Is it go fish or goldfish?
Go fish.
Goldfish!
Yeah, I got a little.
Okay. Okay, I'll go first.
You got a February?
Go fish. Anyone? Do you have to smack your gum like that?
Do I have to smack you like that?
Oh, 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 oh.
She's being mean to me.
And we did some jogging. And that's about it. So, enjoy!